and welcome to today's class. Let's look at the idea of loop and merge under the study of Kirchhoff's law. Last class we dealt with Kirchhoff's law, perhaps the introduction to Kirchhoff's law. Now we're looking at the concept of loop and merge in the study of Kirchhoff's law. We say when it comes to Kirchhoff's law, there are two laws there. We have the KCL and the KVL, which we have discussed in our previous classes. We look at the concept of loop and merge. What's a loop? What's a merge? Definition. A loop. Okay, let's look at loop first, then look at the idea of merge. I'm saying this, please. Put on, please. Number one, please. Let's look at loop. A loop is any closed path. A loop is any closed path going through a circuit that starts and ends at the same place and does not enclose any other loops. It is a subset of a loop. I said a loop is any closed path going through a circuit that starts and ends at the same place and has other loop in it, right? That's a loop. That's loop by definition. Let's look at merge, please. A merge is a path through a circuit that starts and ends at the same place and does not enclose any other loops. It is a subset of a loop. Please, here's the idea. A loop encase other loop, while a merge does not encase any loop. Please listen. A loop encase other loop, while a merge does not contain or does not enclose any loop. Let's explain the idea of loop and merge practically. So I have this diagram here. It says I have a diagram here. It says here's a voltage, here is the resistor R1, R2, R3, and the value are given. Here I have my current I1 passing through direction. I have I3 moving this way. I2 moving downwards. Observe that I3 and I2 are leaving out, while I1 is flowing in. Alright, that's by the way. For this one here, I have joints A, B, C, D, E, F, and as I can see here. So what is loop? If I'm asked to identify, give me the loop here and the merge. What do you do? We said that a loop is a closed path, right, that starts from a point and end at that same point. That's a loop, and it does not contain, and it contains other loops in it. That's a loop. That's a loop. So it always contains other loop in it. That's case one. Now look up, please. What's a loop? A loop is a closed path. That's by the way. Observe that I have A, B, C, D, E, F, A. It starts from A and ends with A. Is a loop. A loop is simply a path that is enclosed, right? So if I have A, B, C, D, E, F, A, it's a loop. Why? Because it starts from a point and ends at that point. So I have A, B, C, D, E, F, A is called what there is called a loop. Why? It's a closed path, right? That's case one. Also observe, if I move this way, A, B, E, D, E, F, A is still a loop, but it's closed, right? So I'm having A, B, E, F, A. So A, B, E, F, A is still what there? Is still a loop. All right. Next task. I can still move this way. B, C, D, E, B is still a loop. So I have B, C, D, E, B. This man here is still a loop. That's loop in this diagram. Let's look at match. How many matches are here? How many matches are here, please? So what's a match? We said a match is simply a closed path, right? That is encased, a closed path that has another loop in it. So yes, I did. We just said that A, B, C, D, E, F, A is called a loop. Now here's the concept. In this loop, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, I can find two other loops in it. Now listen, I have A, B, C, D, E, F, A. This man here is a loop, right? Is a loop. But I have other two stuff I can bring out from this loop. So I said A, B, C, D, E, F, A is a loop, is a giant loop. But in this giant loop, I can remove out two other loops in it, which include A, B, E, F, A and B, C, D, E, B. Now listen, I have A, B, C, D, E, F, A is a loop, right? But this loop has another loop in it, has two other loops in it. The first loop it has A, B, E, F, A and B, C, D, E, B. So these two other loops are called match. So I'm saying that this man can also be called match. This man can also be called the match. So country and aeroplane issue. The aeroplane is flying, so it's making noise. What if the is flying? Its purple is working now. What should we now hear? So I'm saying that so I've explained loop and match. So a loop contain other loops in it. Why a match does not contain other loops in it? We said A, B, E, F, A is match. Why is it match? Because I can't find any other loop here again. We said B, C, D, E, and B is a match. Why? Because I can't find other loops in it. This is how the idea of loop and match works. Next class, we'll look at how to solve this particular question using the Kirchhoff's law concept. Serious.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen. Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, this membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAMB classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right, so once you join the channel membership for other level student, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAMB classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. I just launched my website www.ghanabukari.com, as you can see in the screen. In this website, you can get close to 4 to 5 tutorial courses that are there. So we have different courses there. Also, the book I just launched also is in the website. You can visit our website and get the courses you want to watch. And also, the video you're watching recently, you can get more of these interesting videos in the website. So do well to visit the website and also register an account with my website. See you guys in the website, and make sure you buy a course from the website to support our journey. of this academic platform. Thank you guys and welcome to my channel. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAMB student, YX/JAMB classes for JAMB student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen.